Hello, I'm Nate. I'm a turf major.
I'm Wyatt. I'm a computer science major.
I'm Derek. I'm an econ major.
And I'm Ryan. I'm a finance major. And this is our bad house.
Before we continue, we would like to acknowledge that the University of Massachusetts Amherst was founded and built on the unceded homelands of the Pecumtuck Nation on the land of the Norwottuck community.
We owe it to both ourselves and others to give back to the world and steer our future in the right direction. Civic engagement is our obligation to put in time and effort towards improving the quality of life for all communities, including those non-human, such as bats. In Massachusetts, 5 of the 9 native bat species are endangered. We can help them by providing shelters that they can safely use as roosts to raise their young in. Bats are beneficial because they feed on pests such as mosquitoes, lowering the need for pesticide use. This plus the fact that bat houses are so small, 55 would be needed to cover a typical home exterior wall, makes them a great way for anyone to help the species.
We took on this DIY project because as a team we wanted to put together our experiences and work with our hands to create a product that will help this crucial species. Some of us were very experienced in building, while others had never touched the power tool before. That's what made it really special to us. Our mission was to create a structure that could support and grow the local bat population in the Amherst region. Bats are an essential part of the ecosystem. We believe that their survival is crucial for our community. Environmental leadership is extremely important to our group as it upholds standards we should set throughout our community. Being a part of our local environment helped open our eyes to all the good things that can come from protecting and nurturing nature.
Building a bat house may seem like a small action, but it has a meaningful impact, especially when done with a personal connection to the cause. Volunteering helped us experience civic engagement and learn about constructing animal habitats. Many people hesitate to contribute, thinking they need to make a grand gesture, but real change often comes from small, consistent actions. If everyone contributed a little, the world would be significantly better.
Team 11 would like to thank the All-Campus Makerspace for providing us the materials, equipment, and training needed to complete this project, and the Foundation for Underground Caves and Karsts, whom we will be donating our bat house to.